Do you ever feel like native English speakers are using a secret code? You understand the words, but not the meaning? Today, I'll teach you 10 phrases native speakers use all the time, but many learners don't. If you want to sound natural and confident, keep watching. I'm good, meaning, no thanks, I'm okay. I don't need anything. Example, do you want more coffee? No, I'm good, thanks. Note, this is very common and polite. It doesn't mean you're a morally good person. It just means you're fine. No worries, meaning that's okay. It's not a problem. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries, I just got here. Super common in casual English, especially in the US, UK, and Australia. It's up to you, meaning you decide, it's your choice. Example, should we eat out or cook at home? It's up to you. This is a polite way to give someone control over the decision. I'm just messing with you, meaning I'm joking, don't take it seriously. Example, you failed the test. Just kidding, you got an A. What? Oh man, I thought you were serious. Relax, I'm just messing with you. Also said as, I'm just messing around, or I'm just kidding. That's more like it, meaning that's better. Now it's good. Example, at first, the music is too quiet. Then someone turns it up. Yeah, that's more like it. Often used when something improves or becomes more enjoyable. I'm on it, meaning I'm doing it right now. I'll take care of it. Example, can you send the email? Yep, I'm on it. Sounds active, confident, and professional. Great for work situations. You know what I mean? Meaning, do you understand? Do you agree? Example, sometimes people just need space. You know what I mean? Often said quickly, you know what I mean? A common speech filler to connect with the listener. Not really, meaning no, not exactly, not much. Example, do you like horror movies? Not really. It softens the no, so it sounds more polite or casual. I'm not sure, to be honest. Meaning, I don't know exactly. I'm uncertain. Example, what time does the meeting start? I'm not sure, to be honest. Maybe 3? This sounds natural and a little humble, very common in everyday English. That makes sense. Meaning, I understand. That's logical. Example, I took the earlier train to avoid traffic. Oh, that makes sense. A polite and natural way to show understanding. Wrap up and a practice tip. These phrases won't usually appear in textbooks, but they're everywhere in real conversation. Try to listen for them in TV shows or podcasts. Use 2 to 3 of them in your own conversations this week. Repeat them out loud to feel more natural using them. Practice builds fluency, one real phrase at a time. See you in the next lesson.